everyone, welcome back. Actually, I should probably say welcome back to myself, as I have been MIA for the past week and a half or 2 weeks. It has been crazy lately. I did have my family that came down from Long Island to come visit, and I wanted to give them my devoted attention, just spend some time with the fam, you know. And also, I have been caught up with school. School honestly has been kicking my butt. It's a whole different ball game for me, and that's been taking a lot of time, effort, and patience, and I don't even know, focus, which I seem to not have a lot. So I had to kind of put this to the side and just focus on that. But I am back, and yeah, today I'm gonna start off with a Boxycharm unboxing. Yeah, I actually got this like a week and a half ago, but I have been waiting to do it on camera with you guys because I thought, you know, that would be kind of cool to do. So anyway, yeah, Boxycharm, basically, for those of you guys that don't know, it's a $21 beauty box subscription that you get once a month. Like I said, 21 bucks. It has 5 items, and usually it can go anywhere from $150 to $250 in the products that are in here. Yeah, so I don't really have much else to say about this, so let's just go ahead and get it started, all right? So, like I said, here's the Boxycharm. I'm going to go ahead and open it. If I can get it open. There we go. And this is kind of what it looks like this month. Right off the bat, you kind of have this little coupon. I think it looks, what is this? It's $10 off. Ooh, Ulta Skin Bar. That's kind of nice. Anyways, a little coupon that you have in there. Also, you get your little card. Every month you get a card that basically gives the description of the items and the price, and, you know, just a little fun facts about everything. So it looks like this month's theme is called NATURALE. So from the looks of it, it looks like everything's kind of like wooden, green, very herbal looking. So we'll see what this all is. The first thing we have here is a little, oh, these are makeup brushes. I didn't know I was going to get these. It's by Luxie, and it's called Gaia. I don't even know how to pronounce this. But basically, it looks like it is brushes, one large eye blending, a precision crease, and a foundation brush. So this is what they look like. I know it's 3 of them. Okay. 3 brushes, just like this. The handle is like a wooden, it looks, I don't know if you can tell kind of on the screen what it looks like, but it's a wooden pink, which I love pink. And like I said, you have 3 different brushes. This brush, I already kind of peeked ahead, and it looks like the next thing in the item is a Vital Veggie Mask. That these brushes are very much, although they're foundation brushes, a lot of people use them to apply these types of creams on them. So this is what this cream looks like. I have heard good things about this brand. I have tried different items from this brand, but not the specific one. I'm not gonna do this mask right now, but I am gonna open it up just to kind of see. Oh God, I can never get this stuff off now. I open everything with my teeth. I know it's not very good, but. So it smells like vegetables. Very little thick vegetables with like a menthol smell. So normally this would be applied on your face. So what I was going to suggest with the foundation brush, if you get this box, you can always apply it with it. That way you don't have to worry about putting anything on your hands or putting it all over your face, and you kind of just blend that in. But yeah, it's very earthy, and you know what? It actually has a smell like essential oils. That's what it reminds me of. I have not tried this, like I said, but I will be more than willing to try this on camera for you guys as the nighttime skincare routine one of these days. So anyway, let me get back to this. This says that this value is $35 right here, and the brushes that I just showed you guys, it's 3 of them, and the price of that one is $30. And also, fun fact, this is actually a little recycling thing, which is nice. I like the theme of this month. Yeah, so that's that. Moving on, we have, ooh, get nice, oh my gosh. We have what looks like an eye palette. It's called, well, it's actually by Butter by London. If you can kind of see, I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Ooh. This is pretty. It has a mirror in it. A lot of palettes don't have mirrors in it, but this is actually kind of nice. I don't know if you can kind of, oh, you can see the little camera up there. But anyway, this is what it looks like. It's really, really cute. Natural Goddess is the name of it. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 6 different shades. I will go ahead and swatch them for you. So the first one is Enchantress and Queen. So I'm going to go ahead and do these 2 right here. I don't know if you can kind of see, they're very, you know, soft, I guess you could say. Very pretty. You know what? Let me kind of darken that up a little bit to see if maybe you guys can get a better picture of it. It's actually really pretty. It's really bronzish looking. Okay, the next one is Star and Diva. Star looks like it's a little bit more green. Oh, that's pretty. And Diva is more copper toned. Oh my gosh, it's really pretty. They're right there. And then the last 2, you have Temptress and Femme Fatale. So let me go ahead and swatch that one. I totally swatched this wrong. Sorry, guys. Alright, so it's the brown and the blue. I don't know if you can see. Horrible swatches. I'm super sorry. I don't even know why I did that so bad. But anyway, this is really, really pretty. Again, it's very earthy, very natural looking, which I absolutely love. I love like the whole theme of earth and everything like that. That one retails for a total of $32. So basically already with the 3 items that I showed you guys, we're like a 90 something bucks, which is amazing because the box, like I said, is $21 a month. So can't beat that. Next, we have what looks like a gel liner. I think this is an eyeliner. Let's go ahead and clarify. This one is a gel liner that says you could define either your eyes or your lips, and it's cost $21. I'm so bad at opening these things, but once again, I think I'm gonna have to use my teeth. Alright, so I don't know why I just smelled that, but anyway, this is like a brown color. Oh, actually it's like a brownish copperish color. You can see right here. That would probably, I mean, that's a perfect combination for the palette. I think any of those colors would go really good with that eyeliner. So I actually really like this a lot. It's super, super cute. Okay, and last but not least, we have a lip gloss by Alamar Cosmetics. It says it's Shade Lifting Lip Luminizer. This is $10, and it's actually really pretty color. It's called Mother of Pearl Gloss Sirenita. For all of you guys that don't speak Spanish, sirena means mermaid in Spanish. So sirenita would be like little mermaid. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh. I can't really smell. You know what? I'm gonna actually apply this here. I don't even know how I'm getting it all good. I had lip gloss on before. I just want to get like a taste of it. It really doesn't have a taste. It's not too sticky, which I like because I don't really like when a lot of the glosses are sticky. But I think I like the color. Let me swatch it on my hand as well, just to kind of see. Hold up. Yeah, it's like a pinkish with the bronze kind of undertone in it. I don't even know if you could see it. If I put it in the light, you might be able to see it. But yeah, I really like it. It's super, super cute. So those are the 5 items that were in this box. I'm gonna go ahead and just add it up for you guys. Oh, and also just so you know, this box, like every box has a different variation. This one is 2. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and add it up. All right, and I'm back. So I just added up all the 5 items and it comes out to $128, which is awesome. Like I said, the box is only 21 bucks a month. Every box comes with like a different theme, kind of similar to FabFitFun, but this one's, like I said, it's a monthly subscription. I love getting it. I really, really, really like this month. Like I said, this would have been opened earlier in the month, but I kind of slacked a little bit, so I'm super sorry. But it's perfect because it's still the summertime and it's super bronzy and natural and earthy, and I love it. So yeah, that's basically it. I need to step it up with these videos. I know I've been, like I said, I've been super busy, but from here on out, I'm gonna try my hardest to bring you guys a video, at least 1 video a week. And like I've said before, if you guys do have any suggestions for future videos or anything, if you want to see vlogs, house tour, things with my husband, anything that you guys think that you guys would want to see, let me know. Just feel free to comment, text me, call me, whatever it is you guys want to do. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Thank you guys again for watching. I really, really appreciate it. I love y'all. Ciao.